How to delete all game data on Steam. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to open up your Steam. Make sure that your Steam is updated and you are logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, to check for your game data and delete it, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is head on the Steam option that is present at the top in your left hand corner. From here, head to the Settings option. Now from the Steam settings, navigate to Storage. At the bottom of Games, you will find all of the games that is added to your Steam. As you can see, I don't have any of it downloaded. Now to simply delete the game data, just select on the game and tap on Delete or Uninstall. By that way, you'll be able to delete all of your game data on Steam. To retrieve your data, some of the games do have Steam Cloud that store your data online. However, it totally depends on the game and mostly do not even offer such Steam Cloud feature to you. So in that case, deleting the game might also delete your save progress. It's always best to check if Steam Cloud is enabled for the game before uninstalling or deleting the game data. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.